So, good morning, everyone. In the last class, we discussed till question number 4 as a classwork. Then I made a video for you till question number 9 so that you can always verify what you have done. Okay. Now we will start from question number 10. Has anyone tried question number 10? Class, has anyone tried question number 10? I have, Tushita. Good. And you got the answer also? You got the answer also in this question? It was little bit tricky if you understand, but it's very easy if you go step by step. Okay, so let's see how to solve this question number 8. First, let me erase this, or it will cause a problem for us. Just one second. Just one second. It is done. This erasing part is quite problematic. Sir, when we will come in 8th class, then we will come to school. Most probably school will open because in entire Delhi they are opening schools now. So chances are high that you will come to school. Okay, rest we have to wait for the orders. Okay, let's see. Question number 10. From a circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeter. So, my God, they keep on coming in the class like this. So we have a circular card sheet like this. You can see the figure is given to you, but I am making for you, of center O and radius R. Here we have 3 circles, so better we take capital R. Class, I told you yesterday also, if you have more than one circle in the question, you have to take. But sir, in Kerala, 200 students got positive because of going to school. Okay, Bani. Don't worry. Everything will be seen, everything will be taken into consideration, then only things will come into act. Don't worry. Okay, now the question is saying from a circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeter, I have taken the radius as capital R. Capital R equal to 14 centimeter. Yesterday also I told you what is the reason behind taking different R, capital R, small r. Do you remember that, class? If there is only one circle, you can take small r, that is fine. But if there are more than one circle, it is always better to change the variable to reduce the confusion. Okay, so we have this circular sheet. Now they are saying two circles of radius 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so we have two small circles like this, like the eye of this face of radius small r. They both have same radius small r. And what is the value of small r, class? Please tell, what is the value of small r? It is 3.5 centimeter. Good. Now they are saying, then for the mouth, they have made a rectangle of length 3 and breadth 1 centimeter. So this is the mouth where the length is given to you and breadth is given to you. L equal to how much? 3 centimeter and B equal to how much? 1 centimeter. Now everything is done. What we have to find, class? Find the area of remaining sheet. First, tell me the statement. What should be your statement for finding the area of remaining sheet? I will write the formula later on. First, I will write in English in sentence form. What is my plan? How will I find the area of remaining sheet? Please tell anyone. What should I write in statement form? How we will get? Okay, Tushita is saying I know. Very good. We will find, one second, just one second. So we have to find area of remaining sheet. That will be equal to how much? Area of larger circle. Yes, find the area of larger circle. So you can say area of remaining sheet is given by area of circle radius equal to how much? 14 centimeter minus area of circle radius how much? Plus how much? 3.5 centimeter. Very good. Minus again area of circle radius same minus one more thing. What is that? minus what? Rectangle. Very good. Class, if you understand these two circles are very much same, so we can multiply by 2 also and write that only once. This is the problem statement that we have to follow. If we follow this statement, this question is very simple. Now it depends on you. If you want to find these things separately, you can find them separately and then put in the equation. Okay, sir, it is so simple. We will first find the area of both circles and rectangle and simply minus that from area of large circle. Yes, Bani, it is correct. So, sir, why do we call perimeter of circle as circumference of circle? Maybe the name they have given just to show that this is a curved surface. Maybe they want to make some distinction between these two. Okay, now if you think that doing all the calculation together will cause some problems to you, may cause some issues, may cause some mistakes, better you go step by step. So let's first find area of large circle or area of circle whose radius is how much? Radius is 14 centimeter. So the answer is pi r square. Let's put the value. Have they given any value of pi, class? Have they given any value of pi that we have to use? What value? 22 by 7. Okay. So we'll go with that. 22 upon 7 into r square. R is 14 into 14. 7 twos are 14. So 2 22s are 44. And 44 into 14 we have to do. 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4 5. So we have got the answer as 616 centimeter square is the area of larger circle. Okay, Bani, it is not given. That's why we have taken 22 by 7. Good. Class, tell me, have you all got this answer? 616. Now we'll find area of circle with radius equal to 3.5 centimeter. Same formula, but now we will use small r. Now we will use small r because in the figure we have shown this thing that capital R is for the larger circle and small r for the smaller circle. Okay, so let's see what will we get. 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. If you want to get rid of decimals, you are always welcome to do that. So I personally don't like decimals because they are prone to mistakes. Okay. Sir, it is given to take 22 by 7. Okay. Tushta is saying they have given that you should take pi equal to 22 by 7. Sir, now leave the question on us only. Okay. So class, if you say that you can solve this question on your own, I can move to the next question also. It is very simple. We have found this thing. Now you will find this area of circle, then you will find area of rectangle, and then you will solve the equation. That's it. And you have to check your answer at the back. It will be absolutely correct. Okay. Now let's move to the next concept, next question, question number 11. If I find the question is very easy, I will leave on you. If I find the question is a little bit tricky, I will give you the hint. Okay. So we have to do this step 2 times. No, Lavya. If you have understood that the small circles are same to same, you can say as both the circles are same, therefore area of second small circle is also this thing. Like that you can write. Okay, Lavya? Lavya, is it fine? Lavya, please confirm. Okay. Now let's see the next question, question number 11. A circle of radius 2 centimeter. So first you have to draw the diagram. There is a circle of radius 2 centimeter. So there is a center O, radius small r equal to 2 centimeter. Is cut out from a square piece of an aluminium sheet. So there was a aluminium sheet of square. There was a square sheet of aluminium, sorry. This was the aluminium sheet. I will give you the hint only. Okay, I will give you the hint only. This is a good thing to do. I will give you hint only. You will solve on your own. Okay. They are saying a circle of radius 2 centimeter is cut out from a square piece of aluminum sheet. So you have purchased a square sheet of aluminum and you are cutting the circle out of it. They are saying what is the area of leftover aluminum sheet. It is very simple. The side of aluminum sheet is given to you. A is equal to 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. So class, you can see they all are same, 6 only. So can you find the area of remaining sheet? It is very simple. First you will write the statement that area of remaining sheet is given by area of square minus area of circle. That's it. Okay. Now question number 12 I am moving on to, because this is very simple for you. Question number 12. Kindly read the question and come with your suggestions how to solve this question. Now, question number 12. The circumference of a circle, Nitin Raheja, 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. No, Nitin. Area of square is not this much. This is only 6 into 6. That is a square. Okay, Nitin, please confirm. They are giving you a circle in question number 12. Okay, let's see. The circumference of a circle is 31.4 centimeters. So first let me make the circle of center O and radius R. They have given us circumference. So what is given to us? Circumference equal to how much? Abhas, Hasija and More Sidhu. 31.4. Sir, read my before chat. But I have seen you are saying that you have to isolate. We will write the equation and isolate. It is correct, beta. So 31.4 centimeter is the perimeter given to you, or the circumference, you can say. Let me erase this extra part. Now what they are saying is, they are saying find the radius of the circle and area of circle. It is very simple. Just make sure that you read this thing. We have to use pi equal to what? We have to use pi equal to 3.14. So you can always say the circumference is 2 pi r is equal to 31.4. In this, you know the value 2 is a constant, pi is a constant, r is unknown. Class, r is unknown. You can always isolate it on the left hand side and take the 2 pi on the downward side, and you will find the value of r. And as soon as you found the value of r, finding the area is very simple. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Yes class, question number 13. Don't worry, the questions which are tough I will solve them completely, but I want you people to solve them on your side. I will make a video also of this. Now question number 13. A circular flower bed. A circular flower bed. Always draw the figure as you are reading the question. Okay, that is very much required. There is a circular flower bed of center O and radius R, is surrounded by a path 4-meter wide. So you must have seen in parks, you must have seen Cannot Place also. Class, have you seen Cannot Place? The small circle, the large circle, it is like that only. Okay, so we have a circle, outside that we have a road or we have a path like this. Try to understand. So can we say we have two circles? Class, can we say we have two circles? You can draw the figure in fair only, because in these chapters diagrams are very important. Okay, so they are saying this surrounding path is 4-meter wide, is 4-meter wide everywhere. Either you take here or you take there, it is 4-meter wide. Because I have not used a compass, that's why my diagram is coming a little bit hazy. So what will be the formula of area of circle? Oh my god, Arnav, it is pi r square. Simple. Okay, now no Rabia. Class, try to understand. This 4-meter is width of path. It is not the radius. If I say this is 4-meter, will that be correct? Lavya, try to understand this thing. They are saying the path is 4 meter wide. That road is 4 meter wide. They are not saying its distance from the center is 4 meter. They are not saying this thing. Try to see that only this much is 4 meter. This is 4 meter. This is 4 meter. Okay, not from center. Now see, they are saying the diameter of flower bed is 66 meter. So class, can we say what is the value of small r? Can you say what is the value of small r? If diameter of flower bed is 66, then the value of small r is 66 upon 2, that is 33 centimeter. Now can you tell me what is the value of capital R? Because if you see outside also circle, can you tell me what is the value of capital R? Small r we have got as 33 centimeter. Can you tell me the value of capital R? You have to, no multiply, Kritika, no multiply. Sorry, it's mistake. We will add, we will add this width. If you see, you have this 33. If you add this portion in this 33, you will get a complete radius. That is capital R equal to small r plus 4 centimeter. That is 33 plus 4 and 37 centimeter. And now the question is very, very simple. Now the question is very, very simple, because what they are asking is, they are asking the area of the path. Class, you only tell me how can we find this area of path. Now tell me, how will you find this area of path? First you will write the statement. Sir, it is in meter. Okay, 1 second. Oh my God, that's a mistake done by us or done by me. You can see. No, they both are in meter only, beta. This radius is also in meter and this is also in meter. Everything is fine. Why you are confusing me? The radius of inside circle is in meters. Okay, I wrote centimeter. That is a mistake. Sorry. Then it is fine. Then it is okay. Then it is okay. I thought that I have done a mistake. Okay, so they all are in meters. Class, now tell me what is the statement? What will you write? The area of path is given by area of big circle or area of circle with radius 37 minus area of circle with radius 33. That's it. And they have told you to use the value of pi as 3.14. So please use that also. Sir, how you got the radius of outside circle? Okay. Don't worry. Let's see. Beta, you knew that the flower bed radius is 33 meters. Is this clear? So what is the difference between small and capital R? Ryan, they both are variables. If you remember, I told you about the terms variables. Variables can have any value. Okay. So we can take X, we can take Y, we can take Z, but it is my, what you say, level of thinking that we should make some difference between small circle and the large circle. That is why I take small r for small circle and capital R for large circle. Now, Alan, don't worry, it will be easy. Okay, so this is the flower bed. They are saying outside this flower bed, we have a circular path. Alan, is this clear to you? They are saying outside the flower bed, we have a circular path. That path is 4 meter wide. So Alan, if you walk on this path with a scale of 4 meter, try to understand, if you are pushing this scale of 4 meter on the path, what will happen? It will be same. It will always cover the edges. This is 4 meter. 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 Is this clear to you? It will always be a 4 meter. That means the path is uniform. The path is uniform. ये path कभी पतला कभी चौड़ा ऐसा नहीं होगा. ये path हमेशा 4 ही रहेगा. That's it. Now the question is, if you understand, this outside is also a circle. Alan, try to see, the outside is also a circle with the same center O. The outside is also a circle with same center O. So can we find this radius? The question is this: can I find this radius R? If I know that this much is 33, if I know that this much is 4, how can I find the complete radius? Good morning, ma'am. Class, tell, if you have got the inner radius, if you have got the width of the path, can't you find this capital R? Just by adding this portion with this portion, we can say we can find the capital R, and that is 33 plus 4, that is 37 meters. Now it is clear to you, Ellen? Those who had doubts, now is it clear? Just we are adding to find the larger radius, that's it. So why we have taken big R? Okay, why we have taken capital R? The reason for taking capital R is just a distinction. Suppose I take the small circle radius as small r and large also small r. So will you able to understand by small r, I am talking about which circle? If I take same small r for the smaller circle and for the larger circle, will you be able to understand that which radius is this? Can you tell me what it is showing? You will be confused by taking both as small r. That is why I am taking different. So class, not only for the circle, when you have two rectangles also, I suggest you to take different variables. If you have two squares also, take different variables, because that will always help you to distinguish between the figure that you are taking. Yes, Labhya. There was no need, we would extend the R. There is no need, once again. Okay, Alan, in the end, we will discuss it more. Now let's discuss one more question so that you can try the remaining on your own. Question number 14, they all are similar. Okay, let's see question 14 also. Let me erase this. And the good thing is now in your classes also, the eraser is working, but before it was not working. If you remember, instead of R, we can use, yes, Kritika, you can use S, D, R, X, F, K, E, A, B, C, D, whatever you want. Tushita is saying, sir, please explain question number 16. So, sir, first we divide the diameter by 2 and then we get to an inner circle. Yes, beta. Yes, sir, yeah. That's the theory behind this question. Now, as Tushita is saying, question number 16, I think that question is a little bit tough. So let me try question number 16 first for you, because 14 is also a question of circular flower garden that you can try, and 15 is also similar. So let's start with question number 16. Don't worry, there will be a solution video. So I tried it hard. I got the answer as yes, it will cover the entire garden. Okay, let's see. How many times a wheel of radius 28 centimeter must rotate to go this much distance? Class, this question is little bit to understand. So we have a wheel. Try to see this as your cycle's tire. Class, try to see this as your cycle's tire. Tell me, in one revolution, if the radius of your tire is R, if the radius of your cycle tire is R, in one revolution, how much distance it will cover? Anyone? Try to understand, if this is your cycle's tire and you pedal it in one revolution of this tire, very good, Bunny. Others, please think what distance it will cover. Yes, Tushita, very good. Others, please tell, if this is tire of your cycle, if this is tire of your cycle and you pedal it once, how much distance it will cover in one revolution? Okay, Ellen, fine. See, if you have a scissors with you, plus, yes, it is your circumference. If you cut the tire from here, suppose, and you open the tire, and you lay it down on the road. What it looks like, class? It is like the length. Try to understand. I'm just making you understand. In one revolution, a tire is covering how much distance? That is actually the circumference of the tire. That is why a tire of a truck will cover more distance in one revolution than tire of a car. Have you ever observed this thing? That tire of car is smaller in comparison to tire of truck. This is a car tire. This is a truck tire. It is covering less distance. Why? Because the circumference of truck tire is more. Nothing gone in my brain. Alan, okay. See, how should I show you? Like this. See, just 1 second. This is the tire. Okay. Can you see the tire now? Class, can you see the tire now? Yes, sir. Okay. I am asking in one revolution, if it rotates like this one time, how much distance it covers? You said, sir, we are not able to visualize. Okay. I asked only one thing. If this is a tire, it is rotating once, how much distance it will cover? So you said, I'm not able to visualize. So I just took a scissors and I cut this from here and I opened it. And I told you, this is the distance covered by the tire. Now, can you understand this thing? What is this? This is the actually circumference only. In one revolution, you cover the circumference of the tire on the road. So the perimeter of circumference is pi, 2 pi r. It is 2 pi r, yes. Class, now tell Alan, now it is clear to you. If this is tire of your cycle and you want to check in one revolution, okay, 1 second, Sarvagya. Just 1 second. Yes, Sarvagya.
Okay, sir, I got your point. So, sir, by this, as we know, the radius is 28 centimeter. So we can get 2 pi r square. Sorry, 2
No,
pi
no,
r.
only
Then we can get the
2 pi r.
perimeter.
Only 2 pi
Yes,
r.
sir, sorry, 2 pi r. Then we can get the perimeter.
Yes.
Then, sir, the perimeter we can 352 meter. We can just multiply it.
Divide.
Then we can divide. Sorry.
Because you have to find
So
the
that
number
we
of
can get.
revolution.
Yes, sir. So we can
You
find
got
the
the
number
point.
of revolution.
You got the point. Good. Sir, then what is
Simple
the value
question.
of one revolution? That is, I'm telling you, na, Ellen. One revolution is actually the
Perimeter.
circumference of this circle. That's it.
Circumference.
Okay. One revolution is the circumference, because if you cut open the tire, you will get to know that this is the length covered in one revolution. And that is why the truck covers more distance in one revolution of tire than the car, because of the difference in radius. So you all got the concept. Now I request you all to try to find, first of all, distance covered in one revolution. First find distance covered in one revolution. That will be
Sir,
circumference.
176 centimeter.
Very good. That will be the circumference. After that, you know, you have to divide by this 352 and you will get the number of revolutions. I will make this also in the video. Okay, sir, this question
So, sir,
understood. But
first we have to make that in centimeter, 352 meters from
yes,
centimeter.
yes,
Then
better.
we will divide.
You have to convert.
Then we
Yes,
can
yes, very
convert
good,
in
because
meter.
this is in centimeter, this is in meters.
Yes, sir, and
So you
that
have
is in
to make them
meter.
same. Okay, let me
Yes,
stop the
sir.
recording.